Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I create in-depth tech reviews and buying guides to help you choose the best devices for work, creativity, and productivity. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most exciting premium laptops released this year, the MSI Prestige 16 AI Evo, featuring Intel's newest Ultra 7 processor, powerful Intel Arc graphics, a stunning 16-inch 4K OLED display, and an extremely generous 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM paired with a 2 terabyte NVMe SSD. If you're interested in checking the latest price or grabbing one for yourself, I'll leave my Amazon affiliate link in the description below. Now, let's jump right into it. Right out of the box, the MSI Prestige 16 AI Evo makes a premium first impression. The stellar gray finish gives it a modern, professional look that fits perfectly for business users, creators, and anyone who values high-performance computing on the go. At just around 16 inches, it feels surprisingly lightweight for such a powerful machine. The build quality is solid, sleek, and refined, giving you confidence that this laptop is designed for durability and serious productivity. MSI has always been known for combining elegance with engineering precision, and the Prestige 16 continues that tradition. The chassis is slim yet sturdy. The keyboard is comfortable, responsive, and perfect for long work sessions. The trackpad is large and smooth, giving you accurate control. Whether you're traveling, working remotely, or editing videos on the go, this laptop is crafted to be both portable and reliable. And of course, we have a great variety of ports, including HDMI, Thunderbolt-compatible USB-C options, and more, making the Prestige 16 incredibly versatile. The highlight of this laptop is its impressive Intel Core Ultra 7 2586V processor. This new generation chip is designed for what Intel calls AI-powered performance, meaning it's optimized for multitasking, AI workloads, creative software, and heavy productivity. So what does that mean for you? Faster application launches, smoother multi-tab browsing, seamless 4K video editing, better battery efficiency, and a much faster workflow in day-to-day tasks. Whether you're a creator, business professional, student, or engineer, this processor offers next-level speed that you will definitely feel. Now let's talk graphics. The MSI Prestige 16 comes equipped with Intel Arc graphics. And trust me, this is not your typical integrated GPU. Intel Arc provides excellent acceleration for creative applications like Adobe Premiere Pro and Photoshop, smooth playback and rendering of 4K videos, solid performance in casual and mid-level gaming, better AI-assisted content creation. If you create content or edit videos, this graphics setup is a major upgrade from older integrated systems. This configuration is absolutely loaded. 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, 2 terabytes NVMe SSD. This means lightning-fast performance. You can run dozens of applications at the same time. You can edit large 4K files without lag. You have massive storage for projects, games, and media. Boot time? Only a few seconds. This is a laptop built for heavy workloads and long-term use without slowing down. Now, one of my favorite features, the display. This laptop offers a 16-inch UHD OLED display, and the image quality is simply breathtaking. True blacks, bright whites, vibrant, accurate colors, wide contrast range, perfect for video editing, photography, graphic design, or simply enjoying movies in premium quality. Watching content on the screen is truly a cinematic experience. If visual quality is your priority, this display is a huge selling point. The Prestige 16 also comes with the next generation of wireless connectivity, Wi-Fi 7. This gives you faster download and upload speeds, better stability, lower latency, improved streaming quality, instant syncing of large files. Whether you're uploading a large video project or joining high-quality video calls, Wi-Fi 7 ensures you stay connected at top speed. This laptop runs Windows 11 Pro, which is perfect for professionals and businesses that need advanced security, better productivity tools, and enhanced system control. You get features like BitLocker, remote desktop, advanced virtualization, and professional workspace management. If you're using this laptop for work or business, Windows 11 Pro is a big advantage. The MSI Prestige 16 AI Evo is ideal for content creators, video editors, photographers, designers, business professionals, students in tech or media, frequent travelers, anyone who wants premium performance with a beautiful 4K OLED display. This is a laptop built for people who expect top-tier performance without compromise. If you're looking for a powerful, modern, AI-ready laptop with a gorgeous 4K OLED display, the MSI Prestige 16 AI Evo is absolutely worth considering. I've placed the Amazon affiliate link down in the description for the latest price and deals. If you found this review helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.